Good evening. My name is Abhishek Harinath Singh. Today's video topic is linked list in Java, and today's date is 4th March 2024. So, linked list in Java. Linked list is nothing but like a array list. It is similar as like array list, which is in which we uh, use the uh, like list type of method to use to get all the elements in that. We can declare integers, strings, uh, characters, any values in according to linked list, in which in where we create the linked list. In we declare that as whatever the value we have to uh, declare to the particular element. It depends on the whatever its value is. Like for the numbers, integer is required, and for the characters we can declare the string method. uh, with the help of these things we can get the elements one by one. And there are several methods which are used in linked list, like uh, add. uh, Add method is that where we use the add method to add the elements in the particular linked list, where if we have to add a single value we add, or we if we have to add at the first position, so we use add first method. And if we want to if we want it at the last position, so we use add last. And if we have to add all the elements, so we declare as add all method. And another one is clone method. In clone method we clone the linked list, one linked list to another linked list. It is nothing but to copy a linked list in another linked list. uh, and there is a clear method in which we if we declare the clear method, so in the list there is no element seen when we print it. And after that, is empty. When is empty we use when the particular list is empty or not. If we have to check that, so we use linked list to check it. And there is a method is empty. So after that blank. If if there is a no element in there, so how to check it? We use a blank method. We use it uh, before printing it, and after, and in that we print blank. So it gives the output whatever it is. If it is blank, it will give blank. Thank you.